the post office. So here we go. We've been working on the truck. So we're just hoping it'll be okay now. So we don't need the lift pump. So anyway, okay.
Hi Wayne.
Hi.
What are you doing?
It's a new lift pump on the truck.
Oh.
Yeah. It's there. Have a look at it inside. New lift pump. Because the old one was leaking fuel everywhere. So we thought we'd better do something with it before we went up in a ball of fire. So we've got to put the fuel pipe back on. So let's loosen it, I think.
That's the old one. Oh, and this,
Oh no.
which has been used to mop up oil and stuff, is actually my t-shirt. Wayne.
Didn't know. I didn't.
Which is fine, and it was a present.
But apparently it's got all little
Yeah, it has all different coffee. It's
coffee makes on.
can't see it. Different coffees written on it.
I didn't know.
Well, from now on, Wayne's gonna check before he does that.
Okay. But some things have to be sacrificed for the truck.
Okay, well.
So now got to put the fuel pipe on there. It's a fuel all in that one. I can really get it off.
We're hoping it doesn't rain. It's holding off for now. That's Sultan.
There's like a tiller underneath the truck. Have a look under the truck.
Okay. It's dark. That's under the truck. Okay. Well, I'll put it off till we're ready to test it.
Okay. Then you can film us bleeding your system off.
Okay.
Okay, that'll be fun.
Bye for now.
Complete the